Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to reset and restore camera default settings on iPhone. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So all we need is open the camera and possibly check the settings that you want to change are here at the top of the screen. If not, then go to the settings, scroll down and find the camera. In this section you can also change some settings, maybe this will help you. Well, the next way is to reset the settings completely. Go back and scroll up, find General, then scroll down and select to transfer or reset the iPhone. Here you need to select reset and select reset all settings. In this case, your data will not be deleted, but only the basic settings of the phone, including the camera settings, will be reset. That's how easy it is. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye, have a nice day.